In this video, I'm going to show you how you can forward emails from your Gmail account to another email. Now you can forward to any email, it doesn't have to be to another Gmail account, and I'll show you how to do it in this video. So what you need to do, once you are in your email inbox of the email you want to forward, go to settings in the top right hand corner, then go to see all settings. Here you'll then be able to go to forwarding, and then you can add a forwarding address. So go ahead and then type in the email that you want to forward your emails to. So I'm going to forward mine to KnowledgeBase tutorial@protonmail.com. We can then go ahead and click on next. Once we've verified that it is us, we will then be taken to the next window where it's going to ask us and just confirm with us the email. We would then need to click on proceed. Now what's going to happen from here is it's going to then send you an email to the email that you added. I accidentally added 2 here, but the same thing is going to apply for you. You just need to go ahead and verify on the email that you've entered. So this is the email that I've received from Gmail, and it's just confirming that we accept the forwarding. We then need to click on this link here to confirm the request. Very simple. We'll go ahead and confirm this, and we can then click confirm. Now the emails from this email address are going to be forwarded to the email that we added. We can then go back to Gmail and we can refresh this. Now by default, it is going to be disabled until we go ahead and enable it. So we can go ahead and click here, forward a copy of incoming mail to, and then you want to add in the email. So once you've added the email that you want to forward the mail to, which again is the email that you've just added and confirmed, you can then go ahead and confirm this, scroll down, and then click Save Changes. You can see we are now forwarding my email to this new email, and this notice will end in 7 days. So the emails are going to keep going to our new email address, but this bar here will be removed in 7 days. This is just to remind us. So that is all you have to do. Now any new emails will be forwarded to this email that we added, and we will keep a copy in Gmail's inbox. Thank you for watching. I hope that video did help you out.